Tired of wading through the junk in your garage? Has your car spent one too many winters out in the cold? A Lifetime outdoor storage building is the perfect solution for your storage needs. The 11 by 21 foot storage building gives you the perfect space for a tool shop, outdoor gear and ATVs, or a place to park your car. The spacious 200 square foot interior and heavy-duty construction makes it perfect for an extra garage or workshop. The interior dimensions for the building are 10 by 20 feet and include 6 shatterproof windows that lock closed and 3 stationary windows on the front doors. It also features 2 large 14 by 22 inch skylights and 2 screened vents. The heavy-duty floor is included with the storage building and is built strong and durable. To keep things organized, the storage building comes with 2 30 by 14 inch shelves and 2 16 inch peg strips with tool hooks. The overhead trusses can also be utilized for extra storage. This storage building has tri-fold doors that create a 9-foot wide and 6.5-foot high opening, creating the perfect place to house a vehicle or large equipment. The doors also have interior deadbolts and an exterior padlock loop. All Lifetime storage buildings have additional shelves and accessories available for purchase. Shelves can be hung wherever you like, and with the wide variety of options available, you can get creative with the interior of your building and customize it to fit your needs. Expansion kits are also available in 30-inch increments to extend your storage building. Constructed of UV-protected high-density polyethylene, Lifetime storage buildings are low maintenance and will not crack, chip, or peel. All roof, wall, and floor panels are stain-resistant and easy to clean. The UV inhibitors make Lifetime buildings resistant to heat and extended exposure to harmful UV rays. They will retain their attractive appearance and design without requiring the extra work to keep them maintained. So put away your buckets of stain and paint. You will never need to repaint or varnish a Lifetime storage building. The steel-reinforced walls directly connect to each heavy-duty roof truss, and the double-wall construction guarantees superior strength and durability. The structure can also be anchored to the ground, and the double-wall panels are strong and will not collapse, bend, or dent. With a 3,700-pound total snow load capacity, the high-pitched roof allows for quick drainage of rain and snow. It also provides a 7.5-foot interior height from floor to truss, making it easy to walk around, stack boxes, and store pretty much anything. The Lifetime outdoor storage building is not only built for strength and durability, it also has an attractive appearance and design to keep your backyard looking good. It's time to reclaim your garage. Let a Lifetime outdoor storage building be your storage solution. With its durability, spacious interior, and good looks, it will be the envy of your neighborhood.